Again, we have questions kasi ito ay question again sa mga hip and knee arthritis Cebu Facebook group. Doc, 5 years na po akong may hip arthritis po. And hip arthritis. So again, ano yung hip arthritis? Ito po yung ball and socket joint natin na may sirang-sira na, pati ito sira na. So Doc, may 5 years na sakit sa singit ko sa hip arthritis. Natakot ako sa surgery kasi ang kapitbahay ko ay na-opera sa elbow at hindi na gumising. Oh my gosh. So, I hope, paano ko malaman na safe po ang operasyon para sa akin? So, I'm sorry to hear that, no, na yung kapitbahay niyo ay hindi gumising after sa surgery ng siko sa elbow. So, I don't know. Again, di ko alam anong nangyari. But it makes sense na if this is an issue of fear na hindi gumising, what we do is we do have a very competent na anesthesia team natin. Some of the patients before surgery can definitely talk to the anesthesia doctors. And if it's a fear of anesthesia na hindi gigising, sana naman po, no, na hindi yan mangyari sa mga patients natin na hindi gigising. But the reality is na we do our best for the safety of the patient. Ibig sabihin, may team tayo for safety, which is the medical clearance, lalo na pag 40 years old and above, kailangan mag-clearance sa heart, sa lungs, to lessen the chances of mga complications. The second step is having your anesthesia team check the patient if may medical problems na may na-miss ba yung internal medicine doctor na test. And lastly, we do compute and calculate everything, including the risks po, lalo na sa mga nagkaka-infection po na mga patients. We do calculate infection with an infection calculator. No, to know the risk before the surgery, kino-compute ko po. I sit beside the patients and pinapatanong ko yung weight ng patient, yung height ng patient para makuha yung BMI. So, this is what we call a risk calculator, no? So, it is calculating the chances kung ilang porsyento po na magkaka-infection yung patient. And I use this risk calculator to lessen the chances of mga issues and risks of infection naman po. So, hope that helps. Hope naman na you talk to your surgeon kasi kawawa naman kayo if in pain kayo tapos natatakot po kayo. Remember, hip replacement has a 98% success rate. Yung naririnig nyo po ay very, very rare complications po. I know na yung takot naman ay walang gamot para sa takot. But what helps in my experience is talking to the patient and explaining things, not rushing. Kasi I do have patients na 4, 5 years before or even 10 years before sila mag-decide ng operasyon po.